What's going on, everybody? This is Ultimate Device Vids, and today in this video we're going to be unboxing the new iPhone XR. So very excited to check this thing out. I got it in blue. This is also 64 gigabytes, so the new colorful iPhone. So let's go ahead and peel the plastic off here. Set that aside. Get the lid off here. And of course, we're greeted with the standard packet that comes with basically every iPhone. You get the information inside, the getting started guide, get the SIM card ejector tool, get the legal information, and of course the Apple stickers. So again, all these standard affair with pretty much any iPhone. All right, let's just go ahead and set this aside. And of course, here is the device itself. So the iPhone XR, once again in blue. So looking very nice. Let's go ahead and get the plastic off. And yeah, guys, I really like the back color. It's that nice vivid blue shade, and of course the edges with that nice aluminum blue color as well. In combination with the all black front, of course, with the edge display, just goes for a very, very clean look. So let's go ahead and power this guy on. All right, so in terms of other things that come in the box, of course, once again, your standard affair with every iPhone. You get your charging wall brick, of course, your Lightning headphones, and just like the iPhone XS and XS Max, of course, the Lightning headphones are included, but the adapter from 3.5 millimeters to Lightning is no longer included, unfortunately. And of course, we also get the standard Lightning cable for charging and, of course, USB connection. But all right, guys, let's go ahead and set all of this aside, and we'll go ahead and focus on the device. So here it is, the iPhone XR. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this up real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so all set up, just finished the process, as you can see right here. So you notice we have this very nice wallpaper, and it's actually color coordinated depending on the color iPhone you get, which is definitely a very nice touch. And if you guys actually jump into settings and go into wallpaper, there's actually various different colors included, again, to match the various different colors that the iPhone XR has. So you get these nice wallpapers with the bubble like this, and then, of course, the one with two bubbles. And again, there's all the different colors in here, which is a nice touch. And once again, I just want to give you guys a closer look at the color. So you can see on the edges, you have this very nice, turquoise shade on the, aluminum edges here on the blue model. And of course, the back is that very nice blue shade, of course, with the nice glass as well. So just again, goes for a very luxurious feel on the iPhone XR. I think a lot of people are going to enjoy the iPhone XR. It starts at $749, which is cheaper than the iPhone XS that starts at $999. Now, of course, all these devices are definitely expensive. However, that slightly cheaper price tag will definitely draw people towards the iPhone XR, especially because it features a lot of these same features of the XS and XS Max. For instance, the edge-to-edge display with Face ID as well, and of course, the same processor that's found in the iPhone XS and XS Max. Now, of course, there's definitely going to be some super tech-savvy iPhone users who aren't going to want to use the iPhone XR for reasons like it doesn't have an OLED display, it has an LCD display instead, it lacks the dual camera system on the back, and the bezels on the front of the device around the display are slightly larger, but for the average consumer, these things aren't really going to matter too much. It's a very similar experience to that of the iPhone XS and XS Max for a cheaper price. The iPhone XR's display size is at 6.1 inches, so this is actually right in between the display size of the iPhone XS and XS Max. So the iPhone XS has a 5.8-inch display, and the iPhone XR, as I just said, has a 6.1-inch display, and the iPhone XS Max has a 6.5-inch display. So again, this display size fits kind of right in between the size of the iPhone XS and XS Max, which again just gives customers another display size choice. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below in the comment section which iPhone XR color is your favorite. But all right, guys, once again, that wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.